Hello boss babes and bosses out there. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Christmas name tag using Kittl. So sa design na to, I'm going to teach you how to use the mask feature in Kittl. So very easy lang talaga siya gawin. So if you haven't watched my last video, Kittl tutorial din siya. But that video is about text transformation, kung paano siya gamitin. So ang video na to is about masking na naman. If you are following me on my Instagram account, isa talaga sa mga pro tip ko, every Christmas is mag-send ng Christmas e-card sa mga clients. Kasi for me, it's like hitting two birds at the same time. First, magta-touch base ka kay client na hindi talaga for business. The second one, it's like also indirect way of parang nagre-remind ka sa kanya na where's my bonus, boss? Yung gano'n. Believe me, for me, it's really effective. Like, yan talaga yung nakagawian ko even before na nagsisend talaga ako ng Christmas e-cards sa mga clients ko. So ngayon, instead of Christmas e-card yung ibibigay ko, ang plan ko na isend is Christmas name tag. So it's up to you guys ano yung pangalan ilagay nyo. Pwedeng pangalan ni client or pwedeng name ng business ni client. But sa tutorial ko ngayon, I'm just going to use my name para it would be easier for you to follow. If you want to learn how to do that, just keep on watching.
Currently, you are seeing my screen right now and I'm going to use again my free account. So if you still don't have an account sa Kittl, you can just click the link below so that you can sign up for free. As what I have said before, we are going to do a Christmas tag. So ganito yung output na ating i-achieve sa tutorial na ito. It's just very easy and you just have to listen very carefully kasi may part na medyo tricky yung gagawin natin. But I can assure you that this is just so simple. Now, I want you to click a new project here at the top right. So, i-click nyo lang yung standard. After that, you can go here sa left side. Merong elements dyan. And then, scroll nyo sa baba. Andito yung letter masks. Click nyo lang yung see all. And then, you can now click yung mga letters sa name nyo or sa client nyo or maybe company name ng client nyo. But para sa example na to, para easy lang, SUI lang yung gawin ko. So marami dyang letters, you just have to scroll. Meron pang numbers if you want to add numbers. Ayan. So make sure nyo siya na align siya lahat. And then, I want you to take note na andito siya sa gilid yung layers natin. So for this standard, meron tayong 3 letters na nakamask. So ibig sabihin yan, pwede tayong maglagay ng elements sa loob ng letters. Now, since Christmas yung theme na i-try natin i-achieve, pwede kayong mag-research dito ng mga Christmas themes. So, ayan, marami siya. But, ang gagawin ko, kasi meron akong vibe na gusto i-achieve. So, dito ako kukuha sa Pinterest. And then, maglalagay lang ako na Christmas one and go theme. Ayan. So, kukuha lang ako dito ng theme para sa Christmas na gold and white. So, for example, siguro this one. Click ko lang siya, right click, copy, and then paste ko dito. So, for example, you have this. You can just put sa letter, then automatic na siya na magpapasok sa loob ng letter mask mo. Tapos, kuha pa tayo ng iba. Dapat the same lang yung kulay. Para the same vibe lang. So, this one, right click, copy. So, for example, this one, dito, pwede natin ilagay dito. And then, ito, super cute. Ito na lang, copy. Kung gusto niyo ito siyang palitan, for example, click this, and then release mask, andito sa gilid. And then, pwede siyang ilipat. Ganyan. Then, this one, dito natin siya ilagay. I think I want to change this kasi parang darker siya. Let's see if makuha natin yung isang vibe. Siguro this one. Copy. In order for me to change this, release mask muna. And then delete. And then that one. I think that one. I like that. So, yan siya. If you are happy now with the vibe sa mga letters nyo, I want you to select all of the letters. Right click and then group. So, merong isa na tayo na group dito. I want you to duplicate it. You can click this one here or you can just copy and paste. And now, so, dalawang group na siya, as you can see here. Now, I want you na sa isang group na to, right-click niyo siya, and then ungroup. Makikita niyo, merong naka-group here, and then yung tatlo naka-ungroup na siya. After that, right-click nyo, and then release mask. Ito pwede to. Or you can just click here sa side, right side, release mask. We need to delete all of these images here para mapalitan natin ng ibang pictures. So in order for us to add more elements, kuha tayo ng mga elements na bagay sa ginawa natin na backdrop before. Just to add more character lang. So ito, naka-research na ako. Gusto ko nalagyan ng Santa Claus dito sa eye ko. Yan. And then, for the U and S, maghahanap pa tayo. So, this one, I'm just going to copy and paste it. And then, paste natin dito. In order for us na para mas madali siya, itong naka-group, click nyo tong lock. Meaning, hindi nyo yan siya matatatouch. Ito lang tatlo dito. So, click nyo siya and then lagay nyo siya sa eye. Automatic mag-fit yan. Then, what I like about this one is that you can adjust the image na pwedeng mas maliit, pwedeng mas malaki sa eye, which I don't think Canva can do that. I'm not sure ha, pero feeling ko hindi. Na-try ko siya before, pero parang hindi siya pwede. So, this is what I like about this one. Kaya gusto kong ituro sa inyo. Gusto ko na mas liitan pa siya para magkasya talaga si Santa Claus. Okay, so I think that's enough. And then, ang problema natin, di ba may backdrop siya? Hindi na yan siya problema natin because we can use the AI background remover. You can just click this one here. And then, that's it. Santa Claus is so cute. Now, ang next task is to add more elements sa S and U. Meron tayong Santa Claus. Maybe we can look for Christmas tree. Black and white. And then this one. Maybe this one would be good. Let's try. Copy. Si Santa Claus, gusto ko siya na nakaapak siya sa baba ng eye. Ayan. So this one, lagay natin siya sa gitna. Pwede siya na liitan. And then, don't forget to click here, AI background remover. Lakihan natin ng konti. Kasi sobrang crowded or busy yung background. So, lakihan na lang natin ng konti. Yan. And then, for the S, Christmas gifts. Okay? Yung gusto ko na the same vibe lang. Maybe this one. Copy. Hopefully, this one will look good sa S natin. Wala na pala siyang background. Naka-PNG siya. So, ito gusto ko na. Litan natin. Dito natin ilagay sa itaas kasi hindi masyadong dito. Ayan. I love it. What do you think, guys? Perfect for me. So, yeah, it's so cute. And I like na nag-pop up si Santa Claus because of the red hat and yung dala niya na bag color red. So, ayan. You can save this one. Just click download. And then, if you're using a free account, automatic na ito lang yung pinakamalaki niya na export. So, we can just do kahit ganyan. Just click download and then, yay! Ito na yung natin, output. So, yeah, feel free to share your output then, yung name nyo or yung name ng client nyo or maybe yung company nyo. Feel free to share that sa Facebook group natin. We will wait for it. So, yeah.
So easy, right? I really hope na nakasunod kayo sa tutorial natin ngayon. But if you have further questions or nalito kayo sa tutorial natin, feel free to comment it below or message on our Facebook para masagutan namin kayo. And if you still don't have an account sa Kittl, you can use the link below. You can sign up for free. But if you want to upgrade to a premium account, meron silang discount ngayon na 25% off para sa mga new user, whether if you are going to pay per month or per year. So yeah, if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like our Facebook page at BossedUp PH. Follow me on my Instagram accounts at @𝐵RICSUY and at BossedUp PH. And you can also join our Facebook group community. Just research I'm ready to boss up 𝐵RICSUY. And yeah, hope to see you on my next one. Bye!